Hi, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes as one. Today is Wednesday's upload. I'm sorry about Monday. I was not able to upload, but after the holidays now, I should be able to give you uploads on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today we're going to make a quick Spanish chicken, grilled chicken with quinoa. So for this recipe, we're going to be using that simmer sauce from Chosen Foods. We got some garlic butter. We have some mushrooms. It's easier to buy garlic butter than to make it, but if you want to, feel free. We got some mushrooms. We got quinoa pasta that's corn free and is organic. It's really good. I'm actually boiling it right now, and we have this rancher chicken. So let's get started by putting some garlic butter in the pan, and we'll do some mushrooms, and we can make this all in one pot. Alright, so we got our garlic butter in there. Just start coating your pan, and then we'll throw in some mushrooms in there and brown them a little bit, and then we'll put the chicken in and our simmer sauce. Alright, so we have the mushrooms in there and the butter. Just keep stirring them around until you get them done. And then the quinoa pasta is almost done. It takes about 15 minutes. You can see that. When it's done, just drain some of that off. So just keep stirring these mushrooms around in the garlic butter until they're what you like them to be. Then after that, we'll throw in simmer sauce, and we'll throw in rancher chicken, my go-to chicken also. It's grilled, and this will make for a great combination. Alright, so we're going to take this chicken, and we're going to just throw some in there with our mushrooms. Our quinoa is almost done. You can see that. And just take this and start stirring around this mixture. Keep it on medium, and pretty soon we'll throw in the simmer sauce. And then after that, you can either take the quinoa and throw it in here, or you can plate the quinoa and throw everything on top. It's all up to you. Like I said, it's your cook, your house, do what you want. So be back in a second. Alright, so you can see that our quinoa is done. We're going to let that sit there for a bit. And our chicken and mushrooms are together. Now we're going to take the simmer sauce and just throw in what you desire. Actually, since it's going on pasta, you probably want to throw the whole thing in. So make sure you put your stove down to medium just for a minute, and just get all this rocking. See that nice sauce? See how the steam is coming off of it? So work this. Oh man, I wish you could smell this right now. The smell is unbelievable. So work this, and then you're going to want to turn this down between low. You're going to want to turn it down between low and medium. Alright, so our sauce and chicken and mushrooms are done. Look at that steam coming off of there. Like I said, I wish you could smell this. So you have like options. Like I did the quinoa, like I said. You can put the quinoa on a plate and then use the stuff to top it, or you can throw some quinoa in here and mix it. Or you can take this mixture right now and put it over top of rice or noodles. Yeah, the thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of this quinoa, and you see that it's nice and done. I'm going to throw it in here, and then all the flavors will mix together. So just do that, and then we'll plate it. Like I said, with these semi-homemade meals, they only take like 10 minutes or less. Like if you wanted to take your own chicken and grill it and make it, it would of course take longer. But if you want, do chicken, shrimp, or beef ahead of time in batches and save it. So then the next day it only takes like 10 minutes. So just start mixing this together, and then we'll just plate it and we're done. All right, so there you have it. You have the grilled chicken. The mushrooms are in there. You got the healthy quinoa that's corn-free. And you couldn't ask for a healthier meal. And that's the thing. In stores, look for simmer sauces and other kind of sauces because they can cut your time in half. So I really wish you could smell this kitchen right now. That Spanish sauce came to life. And I tasted this before and it's unbelievable. So we're just going to plate it and then we're done. And this is your Wednesday upload. All right, there you have it on Facebook and YouTube. It's really hard to demonstrate this because of the colors of this. It's hard to really demonstrate how good it is. But I can guarantee if you tasted this, it's unbelievable. You can see that there's mushroom in there. There's the sauce. There's the quinoa. And we even have stuff left over for later. So like this, I'll put this in a Ziploc bag. And I'll get the air out. And I'll seal it. And let the juices and everything come together. And seal together for like a day. And then I'll eat it the next day. But this is how you make a really healthy meal. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the bell. Leave any comments you want. I usually get back to you within a day or two. And this is Wednesday's upload. Like I said, sorry about Monday, but it was because of the holiday. I'm in food retail and distribution. I'm coming to you in 4K. And my channel is filmed in point of view, right from my eyes. I don't have a person to hold the camera, and I don't use a tripod. I try to show you point of view right from my eyes and my hands. So this is really healthy. You can see that sauce right there and mushrooms. And I'll see you Friday. Friday I'm going to have another healthy meal, most likely with chicken again and another kind of sauce. So thank you. You enjoy and peace. Dan Soy.